Let's talk today about the cost of time in our lives and how easily we waste and we spend our time doing trivial, repetitive tasks that we could actually do them better. I was working today for a couple of hours with Jen. She was spending 2 hours per week sending emails because she didn't understand how to automate the email sending in her booking appointments application. Not Calendly, another one that is actually integrated with Squarespace. It's called Acuity. And we spent 2 hours, and now, from now on, after we set up everything that's needed, she will never have to send an email herself, the introductory emails and the information she wants and everything else. And she's saving 2 hours per week, meaning 2 hours times 52, 104 hours per year. If you think about it, this is over 4 days, 4 complete days per year are now hers to do whatever she wants with it. And usually people discuss about time in terms of hourly rate, right? So how much are you getting paid per hour? £10, £15, £25. If you are going more expensive, £75, £200, £500. Now, if we consider that for a service or a consultation, you're charging £100 per hour or dollars or, whatever your currency is, these 100 hours saved is 100 times 100 is £10,000 saved from your time, or if you think about it in a different way, is £10,000 that you can now reinvest in something else that grows your business, something else that makes your life better, something else that makes you healthier, something else. And more often than not, people waste time and time and time, not because they don't understand the need to save the time, or they don't understand that this, what they are doing right now, the way they do it could be done better, but because they don't consult with somebody before they choose a software. They don't hire somebody to do the automation for them, to explain to them what the need is, and they will do the automation for them, so they save time. So let's discuss now again. Let's say I charge for this service of 2 hours, 100 per hour, £100 per hour. So let's say Jen, she paid me £200. She paid me £200 to save 10,000 in a year. We're not talking about the next 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years. Within a year, she saved this amount of money. So the return on investment is just mind-blowing. And if you consider that Jen is actually earning £200 per week, she got her money back within a week. She's break even. And then which kind of investment gives you your time back within a week? You go real estate, you go shares, you go everything. You have to wait the long game. So again, there's nothing more impactful than automation and optimization of processes and conversion in your business. The moment you go this path and you focus there, you will save an incredible amount of time that will shock you how much free time now is there in your hands to do whatever you want with, and you will earn more money immediately in the currency of time or in the actual currency of money. So please, business owners, please, employees of any company, if you do something repetitively and it can be automated, automate it immediately so you can focus on the creative part of your business, because I don't care if you are a software developer, there is a creative part of your business. I don't care if you are doing, financial planning for people or anything. There is a creative part of your business, a creative part that you enjoy doing. You are a videographer, you are a photographer. There is something that you can automate, so you can take more photographs, you can take more videos, you can edit more, you can do something that you enjoy more, brings you more happiness in your life, and brings more value to your life and business. So with this in mind, again, think of how much your time costs, how much you value your time, and invest heavily on anything that saves you time, especially when it goes to business or when it goes to life itself. But now it's not a life teaching you how to live, but certainly we can discuss about how you can improve things in your business, in your technology, and how you can make more money because of it, or you can invest the time to your family or your well-being. With this in mind, that's it for today, and I will see you tomorrow.